joined the Smart4wrd Shanghai factory visit to see how smart factory concept are applied in real life and to learn from industry experts directly.
This is my first visit to join with the Smart4wrd to give me an opportunity to know what is the technology available in the manufacturing, can help us to start small step, continuous improvement to improve our company efficiency.
Smart4wrd can help us to connect not only from the automation, the system, and also I think the training.
Smart4wrd advising together.
Smart4wrd advancing 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 together.